Hi there. My name is Dr. Maureen McAndrew. I am Clinical Professor and Senior Director of Professional Development at New York University College of Dentistry. During my time at NYU, I have interviewed countless students for admission to dental school, as well as practitioners who wanted faculty appointments or admission to some of our postgraduate programs. So I have some tips to share with you to help improve your interview performance. This presentation can be divided into 3 phases. The first, preparation or pre-interview phase. The second, the actual interview. And 3, the post-interview. So let's say you find out that your dream school wants to interview you. What do you need to do to prepare? Well, you should learn as much as you can about the school. I was always impressed when the student I was interviewing had done their homework and could ask me intelligently about our clinical, outreach, and research programs. You also need to think about how you will look. You need to be well groomed. That can mean different things to different people. So as far as dress goes, this is not the time to be trendy or out there like these folks. Now this is much better. While it may be fashionable to have a scruff or to not wear a tie or to show some skin, bear in mind you're trying to get accepted into a fairly conservative profession. Ladies, you can't go wrong if you dress like Michelle Obama here. Professional, tasteful, no heavy makeup. Her skirts are the right length. Her hair looks good. Her clothes fit properly. Shoes are polished. These men look good too. Suits fit, and it looks like they shaved. All good. Now for a Skype interview, only the top half of you has to look good. It goes without saying that you should be on time for your interview, but please don't be too early. No earlier than 10 minutes. If you do get to your destination earlier than that, go to the lobby or a coffee shop to kill some time. Just please, whatever you do, don't spill anything on yourself. When you meet your interviewer, stand and with a big smile, shake their hand, providing that's okay in your culture, and look them right in the eye. You need to make a good first impression almost immediately. In fact, in a survey of 2,000 hiring managers, 1/3 claimed that they could know whether or not to hire someone in the first 90 seconds. First impressions are determined by 55% the way you dress, act, and walk through the door, 38% on the quality of your voice, grammar, and confidence, and just 7% on what you actually say. Here are some common nonverbal mistakes made during job interviews: failing to make eye contact, having little knowledge of the workplace, or in your case, dental school, not smiling, having bad posture, too much fidgeting, playing with the hair or touching of the face, crossing arms over chest, or using too many hand gestures. So, what questions will they ask you? They'll probably start out with, "Tell me a little about yourself and why you want to go to this dental school." Now make sure you can answer all of these questions. I would recommend rehearsing them, but don't memorize your answers. You should look like you're having a conversation. Okay. Obviously, this is not a good answer to the strength question. And one more thing. Make sure you have questions for the interviewer. Post-interview. Make sure to follow up with the interviewer to thank them and reiterate how much you want to go to school there. An email is okay, but there is nothing as nice as receiving a handwritten card. Hopefully this will be you someday. Good luck with those interviews.